Thank you so much for being here. Home for being here. Today I'm gonna be working on this new painting in a event show called the Von Gala. It's in Miami in April 20th. And yeah, we're gonna be starting from scratch today. I'm gonna see if I finish today. That is the goal, so that I can have the next couple of days to just focus on the resistance piece and also other little things that I have to finish for the show. But my main focus will be finishing that piece that I really want to get done by the weekend, by like Monday, Tuesday. Today is currently Wednesday. So yes, other than that, I am very excited. And yeah, we'll see where it go. I have no idea what the background is gonna be. I am gonna do it all in acrylic though in the background. The subject, I think I'm gonna do it in oil. I might do it in acrylic and then do the touch-ups in oil. We'll see. And yeah, I'm not sure too. Like, I kind of want to do the skin color, like a certain color, like yellow or purple or pink, something like that, something cool and different. But we'll see. I'm just gonna do it intuitively, and that is my goal for today. This actually might be a separate video, we'll see. But yeah, if not, then next time I'm gonna be finishing the resistance piece. Let me know any thoughts. I definitely want to add more to it. It really be surrealist. I really want it to be really surrealistic and really different, capture your eye and attention, and yes, makes you just think. So yes, and that's what I hope to do with this painting too. Even though it's small, still want it to be Hey y'all, so today is a new day. I'm gonna continue painting this. Definitely gonna work on the skin and the hands and neck today. I want to get that definitely sorted out and then fix up the background and all the other details. So yeah, I'm trying not to be so detailed on this painting, but yeah.